How we approach designing an aircraft, I think just starts with mindset of you can't believe that it's impossible.
We wanted to build an aircraft that was 3 times more capable, but cost almost just as much as V2.
Yes, it's really hard, but it is possible.
You're looking at the V3 aircraft. This is our latest generation aircraft at Skyways. It's building on a lot of the lessons learned from V2.
We have more volume, more weight, and more range, 3 times as much range. More power generation, we're generating 10 times as much power for payloads for customers, and we're flying faster while doing all of that.
I mean, you gotta keep in mind, like the first aircraft we built at Skyways was 3 feet in wingspan. This one is 22 feet. V3 is over 1,000 miles in range. You know, I tell people you can literally launch from Mexico vertically from the back of a parking lot and travel all the way to Canada, right? And deliver a payload. This is how much range you have with this aircraft.
Key features on the V3, I think, is most notably the cargo volume. That's something we've worked extremely hard on.
The cargo bay in V3 is at the center of the aircraft. This entire aircraft has been built around that cargo bay.
We have a top loading, like the trunk of your car, but a bottom dropping for airdrop capability. We pulled the wings all the way to the back so they don't go through the cargo bay. To balance out the weight of the aircraft, the wings tips are swept forward so that the weight is still neutral.
With the size of this cargo bay and the capabilities of this aircraft, you could imagine, loading it up with a lot of different things. It could be MRE, it could be batteries, it could be just, any kind of supplies. So you can imagine this world of possibilities that this aircraft gives you.
The V2 aircraft has only 1 cubic foot of cargo space, and the V3 will have 7 cubic feet, so we've done 7x cargo volume without doing 7x the weight of the aircraft.
One of the things we've started to see with a platform like this is because it's got so much useful load and so much range, our customers have started to think about other ways to use this platform.
If you think of one of the most important aircraft in any military's arsenal, it's not necessarily a fighter jet, it's their C-130 transports. The military needs logistics to function, and if we can deliver to any environment, anywhere, we enable their logistics.
Skyways is different than the rest in the industry in the sense that, we have a realistic approach to engineering, products, and go-to-markets.
Skyways is built to solve the toughest logistical challenges out there. We're not trying to go against your UPS delivery van. We're trying to go up against helicopters that are delivering in the toughest conditions, that are potentially putting human lives at risk. And why do that when you can send a drone?
It's a very long-range aircraft that can carry 50 pounds, 80 pounds, 100 pounds. It just does not exist today.